Okay, hey everybody. Since I'm talking about music, I want to talk about manifesting with music, right? Okay, so I don't know if people realize or they even know what they're doing, but you can literally manifest with music. Let's just say you have playlists, right? Your playlist is the intention and the energy that you want out of a certain situation, out of a certain outcome, right? Okay, so when you go to the gym, you need music that will motivate you. You need music that will make you go hard. You need music that will, keep you going, right? And when you go to the club, before you go to the club and you getting ready, you in the car, what you doing? You listen to songs that you hope that they wish they play in the club, because you know these songs is what make you happy, and these songs is what make you dance, because you want to have a good time while you in the club, right? And when it comes to romantic situations, like you have a list when you want to get down, you put on this list because when you listen to this list, you can imagine in your mind like, oh yeah, I put this on, it's going down. Okay, I'm about to it is happening. I am going to go in on this list, right? That is all a form of manifestation, right? And literally sometimes depends on certain outcomes, but 8 times out of 10, you get the results that you want from these playlists, right? So when it comes to changing your life, now listen, when it comes to changing your life, you want to change the discord of your personal being, create you a playlist for your higher self. Create a playlist for how you see yourself, right? And that playlist will give you so much confidence. That playlist will give you so much endurance. That playlist will give you so much emotion. Emotion for you to stay on the right path. Like emotions for you to actually get in the alignment with who you want to be or where you are in life. I promise y'all. So let's just say you a person that, you know, you know you're beautiful, but you just want an extra, you want to extra. Listen to Conceited by Remy Ma. It's the perfect song to listen to, okay? Now I know I'm gonna say these old school songs because I'm pretty much old school at this point. Like I listen to some new stuff, but majority of my list is old school, okay? So bear with me. And if you're in a season where you want to manifest luxury and glamorous things, like Fergie Glamorous is a good song. Nicki Minaj Moment for Life is a good song. Listen to what you want your energy